folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Just doing a quick tutorial real quick on the 6.0 Powerstroke. I get a lot of customers, you know, when we have these trucks and we sell them and they're studded and I don't have paperwork, a lot of people are, man, how do you know it's studded or not? Well, I'm gonna show you an easy location to look to see if the vehicle's been studded or not. So a lot of these tutorials online, they talk and it takes 10 minutes to find out where the damn head stud location is. So anyway, this is straight, quick, easy to the point. So this is a 05 Powerstroke, F250. If you come to the driver's side, you see where your radiator bottle is, AKA Degas bottle. If you look directly underneath of it, I'm gonna zoom in, right there, you see that location right there. That bolt right there, well, excuse me, it used to be a bolt, is now a stud, which means you can see right there, see the look of it, it's got an Allen key top, that is the actual stud, and then you have a nut that goes around it. So it's no longer a bolt, now it's a stud. So that is your head stud location. That's an easy way to see one of the head stud bolts. So if you see that type of bolt right there, just like that, with an Allen head key on the top, that means the truck is studded. That means it does have head studs. That doesn't mean it's bulletproofed in the aspect of what everybody considers being bulletproof. But anyway, stud location, 6.0 Powerstroke. Let's go. Easy to find. Literally walk up to the truck, look for the Degas bottle, look straight down. You see it right there, zoom in, bam, head studs. Easy that quick. Minute and a half video. Come on, boys, let's go.